What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got another unboxing video for you guys, and as you guys can see, it looks like a Jordan 1 box, right? Plain Jane box, but it is a Jordan 5 Golf P, and it's 8.5, right? I did get the 8.5. The higher, or the bigger sizes, I should say, were a little more profitable, but everybody was eating them up on the Nike app, and I was forced to get a smaller size. I did try though. I tried, you guys. So the reason I got this, or the way I got it, is because you got to follow a couple people on Twitter. If you guys are still kind of like new in the shoe buying game, you got to follow those people. They put out links. It is an affiliate link, so they do get some cash when you guys actually make the purchase. But I mean, they deserve it because they're the ones that, you know, giving out these links. So what happens is they have monitors and they see that shoes are about to start, you know, selling, and they pretty much get the link, they'll tweet it out, and then, you know, people like me that are, you know, subscribed to their Twitter are actually able to, it's as easy as clicking on the link. It sends you to Nike or wherever that shoe is being sold. In this case, it was Nike. And then I went and then I checked StockX and I was like, yes, they're profitable, and I even had a discount code. So I got these for $153 after tax and all that good stuff. So I wanted to show you guys these because they are crazy to me, you guys. Like right now, the tie-dye is like super in right now. So if I think I'm gonna hold these shoes until I'm able to make a good enough profit. Right now I could probably make somewhere around $40, but I'd rather hold these and make a much larger profit. But if you guys could see, like, you got the tie-dye swirl right here. You got a different, like, first of all, wow, I didn't even notice the inside. So the whole sock liner is tie-dye. That is sick, you guys. And then all the way in the middle, it's that green, it's that neon yellow or neon green. And check out the bottom. I just noticed, I keep looking at the shoe, I keep noticing different things, but it does say a love across like that in tie-dye. Let's see what the other one says, actually. Oh, peace. There we go. Peace and love, you guys. Man, I'm cracking cases right here. I should be a private eye or something. Man, I did not know that. But you guys could see, like, this is a golf shoe, like I mentioned, and you guys could see, like, the cleats that are on here. Man, these are sick. They say Jordan right here, and you guys, it's like a, you could see like the clear bottom of the sole. Man, these are sick. Too bad they're not size 11, or I'd have to keep these. I am a, I was gonna say avid, I'm kind of like a beginner golfer. I do like getting out there, but I would definitely have kept these if I got that bigger size 11. I'd have to look at the resale and kind of be like, is it worth keeping them? Is it not? So I just wanted to show you guys what I copped, and they were actually, they got delivered pretty quick. I didn't even do 2-day shipping or overnight shipping or anything, and they came in 2 days. So I am pretty happy about that. And if you guys want to see some more unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like. Any questions or comments down in the comment box below, and I will check you guys out on the next video.